Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. And today it's all about searching either online or offline. Many of you have written into us and requested the ability to be able to set the app into offline mode because you have to pay for every megabyte of data that you download. For those of you that have unlimited data or have a very large data plan on your phone, it's actually more beneficial to leave the app in online mode because our cloud servers will return the results faster than the device can itself. Because the indexes can actually be several gigabytes in size, and to a large cloud server, this isn't a problem. But to a small handheld device like an iPhone, which is still a relatively fast device, that is okay. But when you have a couple of terabytes of indexes like in the cloud server, it's much more beneficial, if you can, to search online. But if you can't, we have the ability to allow you to search in offline mode. So let's show you how. In front of me, I have open the home screen on the iPhone, on the EGW Writings 2 app. If I want to do a search, all I do is tap the little search icon there. I'm going to put my search term faith. I'm going to search, and you notice that I get 46,996 results. If I want to show the results just in offline mode, you can see in the top right-hand corner a little blue globe. And if I tap this blue globe, you'll notice that it gets a slash through it, and that designates that it's now in offline mode. And you can see that it updated from 46,000 results to only 12,327. So you can tell straight away through the slash through the globe that you're in offline mode. Now this is set up for only a single session. When you tap it into offline mode there, it's just a single session. If you happen to close the app out like that and then come back and run the app again and go back to search, it'll go back into online mode. Now, you can set the app to default to offline mode by going into settings, scroll down to search, and see where it says main search mode. You can tap offline, and now when you do your searches, it will always default to offline mode. Even if I come and close out of the app, so let's just swipe this app out here. There we go. And run the app again. When I go into search, you see how this time it now defaults to offline mode. I can temporarily override it by tapping on the blue globe, doing my search to be online. So I get 20 out of 20 here, and then I can drop it into offline mode and I only have 3 results. So you can see the default now is offline mode, but I can override it to go into online mode. So that's basically, friends, how you use the online or offline modes within the EGW Writings 2 app. I hope this tech tip has been beneficial to save data and also understand the reasons why we have these 2 modes in place. Thanks for joining us now. Have a nice day.